How to create stickers on Telegram app. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna guide you that how you can create stickers on Telegram app. So let's dive in. First of all, you have to open your Telegram app and then you have to come to the search bar and search for stickers. And now you have to just open this first one, the one that is verified. And here you can see there's this start button. Click it and wait for the next message. That is going to be just this, and then click new pack in this message and wait for the next message. Now your sticker is set. You can just choose a name. I'm just going to name it funny and send it. And now wait for the next message over here, that is that you have to share a sticker. And now you can just send any image file, but it should be PNG or this format, and the size should be 512 KB. So I'm just going to go to the messages option and go to my stickers and just share a sticker over here. You can also choose from your gallery over here by clicking this clip sign, but make sure it's a PNG file. Now you can see I have sent my sticker. Now I want to send a emoji that corresponds to my first sticker. So let's just send any emoji over here. For example, let's send this emoji and send it. And now you can see that congratulations in this set one. To add another sticker, send me a next sticker as a PNG or web file. And when you're done, you can just click publish. I just want to click publish over here. And now you can see I can set an icon for my sticker set. Telegram app will display it in the list of stickers in the panel, and I can also skip this step. I'm just going to skip it. And now you can just provide a short name for your set, and I'm just going to name it over here dog and send it. And now you can see this name is unacceptable. Let's name it animal. So here you can see after so many names, I got one name that I can set for my sticker pack. So make sure you use a name that isn't already taken or unacceptable. And now you can see this is the link for my stickers, and I can click this link. And here you can see I got the sticker, and I can add more stickers by clicking over here. Just click add one sticker, and here you can see the sticker has been added. And now if I click the link, and here you can see I can remove the sticker if I want, and that's my sticker pack. And that's how you create stickers on Telegram app. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.